Designed to move heavy materials with ease, Tomahawk's portable scissor lift table handles up to 600 pounds. Perfect for warehouses, workshops, garages, and more. Start by carefully unboxing the lift table and removing all packaging materials. Inspect all items to ensure nothing is missing or damaged before moving forward. First, install the safety guardrails by aligning them with the mounting points on the platform. Next, install the battery by opening the battery compartment and dropping in your fully charged battery. Press the red power button to activate the unit, then flip the power switch. To raise the platform, press the up button. The electric motor will smoothly lift your load to the desired height. When you're ready to lower it, press the down button, and the platform will gently return to its base position. This lift table makes material handling safer and more efficient. No more straining, bending, or risking injury. Ideal for loading and unloading items from trucks, organizing inventory, or adjusting work surfaces to a comfortable height. For more tips and tricks on how to get the most out of your Tomahawk products, click subscribe today.